Hey everyone, welcome to Bodhi Life Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how I record these video tutorials. Here first is the articulating arm that I purchased off of Amazon. And now you'll see the white foam board that I use as my background. I'll add all these links to the description box below so you can find them on Amazon. Since I use my phone to record the videos, today I had to use the ring light to hold the phone. Normally I would use the articulating arm, but here on my ring light there's a little spot for my phone. Alright, now I have my camera all set up in the ring light, and I'm going to show you how to set up this articulating arm here on my kitchen counter. I'm also going to turn on the ring light so you can see the difference in lighting. As you can see, it can get pretty bright, which is awesome, especially if you live in a place with very few windows or if you like to work at night like I do. And next I'll show you how to set up the articulating arm once I get through with the lighting. Here's the clamp, and all you're going to do is loosen it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And you're going to place it on a counter or the edge of your table. Turn it the other way. And then once that's secure, you're just going to take the bottom of the arm and place it right in the top hole. So here is where you will place your phone. There is a clamp and there's also pads on the inside so the clamp isn't too harsh on your phone. So once you're finished clamping it in, you can move the arm up and down, and you just stand here and make sure that your hands are in the middle. I like to use a bowl to hold my yarn so it's not all over the place. Place it wherever you need to. Got my tools, and then this is just a good way to show your audience exactly what you are doing. So now I've placed my phone in the little clamp so you can see exactly how well it will focus in on your project. You can go up, down, left, right. I absolutely love this articulating arm. It's awesome. So here's just a little demo. So you can see I'm kind of going off the edge. You really want to make sure that you stay closer to the middle. But yeah, sometimes it doesn't work out so well. Next I'm going to just kind of play with the lighting to show you just the different looks. So this is obviously coming in from the side, so it's creating a really big shadow effect, but it's much brighter and makes the shot a lot clearer. So I think this lighting is a lot better than before, but it's still casting quite a bit of a shadow. So what I'm going to do is turn my project towards the light, and I'm going to try to put the ring light a little bit further over the project and try to reduce that shadow. So yeah, this is much clearer, much cleaner looking, and then you can begin on your tutorial. If you keep watching here, you'll see a huge difference in lighting. I'm going to turn the ring light off, and wow, it just got so yellow and dark. So if this tutorial helped you today, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave me any suggestions of future videos you would like to see, and happy recording!